All right, 15B Dolly demonstration. Once you've fully assembled the dolly itself, a couple things is the slider tubes. You slide in and out. They will be adjustable here depending on what tractor you're working on specifically, whether it might be a 700, 900, or 600 series. So you can kind of get those preset or leave them loose until you slide them up into the tractor. Once you slide the cart or dolly into the tractor, here are the openings that they will slide into. Once you have those slid in place, we'll then remove the top two nuts for the upper cross member bar, and then you'll have the hinge pins here that you'll pull out again once you've got the slider support tubes slid into the cross member tubes. So again, just sliding the dolly up there. Sliding in place. As such. Now we go ahead and remove the hardware. Once you got the nut and bolt removed from one side, we'll go ahead and do it on the opposite side. Removing the bottom pin you see there. All right. Now once the hardware is removed, what will happen is you'll lift the weight of the box. You'll have some catches here that you'll swing out of the way. Now the weight of the dolly will start to press down against the floor and the tires, and we'll kind of have to kind of shift and shake the box a little bit as you're pushing the dolly down. There we go. Kind of once you got the weight now, the bars will latch. So your latching mechanism and secondary tie downs just to add extra protection. Now you can roll the box away from the tractor.